In today's video, I'm going to tell you what matcha is and how to make matcha latte. Matcha tea comes from the same plant that originates all green, white and black teas, the Camellia sinensis bush. The name matcha literally means powdered tea. The matcha process begins while the green tea leaves are still growing. The plants are shaded before harvesting to increase chlorophyll and amino acid content, particularly L-theanine, and to improve the appearance and flavor of the tea. This gives matcha its brilliant green color. Once the leaves are harvested, steamed, dried and blended, they are ground up into fine powder that you mix into hot or cold water. The result, you're actually drinking the entire tea leaf. With traditional green tea, in comparison, you're only drinking the dissolvable elements that the leaves infuse into the water. So matcha can give you the health benefits of green tea and then some. In fact, a cup of matcha has about 3 times the antioxidants of the regular green tea. I'll show you how to prepare matcha latte. I'm using for this organic matcha powder, and 1 teaspoon or even half a teaspoon is fine for a cup. Now I pour hot water, half a cup is fine, and I stir it. You can use a brush or just a teaspoon. Now for milk frothing, you can use a milk frother like this one from IKEA that I got from £1, or you can use something else. I'm pouring a plant-based milk, which is coconut milk, and I'm using my coffee machine for frothing the milk. So if you haven't got a coffee machine that froths the milk, as I showed you, you can use the milk frother from IKEA. It's cheap and cheerful. Now this is the milk. Now before you use the frother, I think you have to warm it up because coffee machine warms it up already. Now you pour the frothed milk into your matcha liquid, and now you've got matcha tea, matcha latte ready. I absolutely love it. I never thought I would swap my coffee for matcha, but I now drink 1 or 2 cups a day and I absolutely love it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.